back to my channel. For those of you who are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Well, today I'm going to be talking about an issue which most of us might be facing every day. Now, I know there are a lot of problems like that to be discussed, but today I'm going to be talking about hair fall. There are many factors due to which we experience hair fall, like environmental issues, pollution, weather change, moisture in the air, like weak scalp and weak hair, even your diet by using the wrong products, and also the water that you're bathing with. Now, I'm sure most of us are well aware of the brand Pantene and how it has helped us maintain our hair, the health and the strength of our hair all these years. So they have come up with a range of products that is for hair fall. So it's called the Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, this shampoo can be used on daily basis. Yes, it is made in such a way that it helps you maintain the pH levels of your scalp. It is mild enough for you to use every day, and it gets rid of all that build up in your hair and scalp. It gets rid of all that excess oils. If you're using styling products, it washes it away. So now shampoos are mainly used for cleansing your scalp very well in order to maintain a healthy scalp. It also helps, of course, to cleanse your hair. Now, what is the extra factor here in this shampoo is that it has the ProV Formula. ProV Formula is basically the pro vitamins that are present in this shampoo. So when we wash our hair, these vitamins get into your hair and provide the necessary nourishment that is required for your hair, which prevents breakage of hair, which prevents frizz, which prevents split ends, and it prevents drying out your hair. So all of this helps reduce hair fall. Now I'm going to talk about the Pantene Hair Fall Control Conditioner. Now, it's very important for one to use a conditioner right after a shampoo, and even this conditioner has got the ProV formula. That means all the vitamins in this too, so it helps nourish and condition your hair at the same time. So this seals the hair completely, and again it prevents breakage of hair. So when you're washing your hair, when you're combing your hair, it will prevent the breakage of hair during that time too. Now, make sure you're not using the conditioner on your scalp, because it's not meant for your scalp, it is meant only for your hair. So once you start applying your conditioner, it has to be away from the roots. You start from the a little bit away from your roots till the tips. So in short, this was my video about the Pantene Hair Fall Control Shampoo and Conditioner, and they are suitable for all hair types, not a problem. They can be used on a daily basis, and also they are easily available online, in stores, everywhere, because I remember going to get my essentials to the grocery and I saw a variety of the same range. So they do not have just these two products, they have a variety in this range. So you can go check them out online and buy whatever suits you best. So this was my video, and I hope you guys liked it, found it informative enough and exciting enough. So I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.